Yesterday I was at Goodwill and I found this. Toy Trains and Christmas, 1997 release. Yes, I know it's the 1997 release. And it was great because I often don't see these at Goodwill. And this is also the second time I saw the TM video at Goodwill. First time was when I saw an I Love Toy Trains VHS. I think it was the 2000 release of Part 1. I decided I wanted to do the opening of this. And I'll do the closing after this video is published. Ooh, that's odd. No music. No sound.
Toy trains and Christmas have been a sentimental match since the mid-1800s, when a crudely built toy locomotive was placed under some lucky kid's Christmas tree. Electricity was added at the turn of the century, and toy trains have been synonymous with Christmas ever since. And that's what this video is about: toy trains and Christmas. We'll introduce you to the train lady, Elaine Sillitz, who has designed a number of Christmas layouts, including the one on the cover of this year's Hamacher and Schlemmer Christmas catalog. We'll visit a layout featuring Mark's trains and two Christmas displays combining Lionel trains and Department 56 ceramic buildings. We also have some fine Christmas music, both traditional favorites and original songs written especially for this video. Well, we have Christmas layouts to see and Christmas music to hear. So let's get started.
Okay. Just gotta fast forward and publish this and then we'll do the closing.